we are here, a student of IDLI, as we all have given a chance to visit a zoo along with my own faculty. It's indeed going to be a memorable and astounding day for me along with all of my dear friends who belongs to my batch. I would love immediately and wholeheartedly to express my gratitude on the behalf of my entire batch to Shakil sir and the entire IDLI team for giving me such a wonderful and a spectacular opportunity to visit Patna Zoo. Let's come with me.
मुसाफिर कहाँ बह चला
Having watched the multiple animals and birds, after even having witnessed with the artificial lion, we have landed the place where we can see the real lion. As you can see, the short Abhishek, that lion is over sitting. It just look like a lion. And for your brief knowledge, I would like to tell you, the lion is basically found in a forest of Asia and Africa. If we talk about Indian lion is found in a G1 in a Gujarat of Indian state. Apart from it, lion does love to live in a cohort of lions. Thank you. One more message to you that has been written over here, that कृपया जानवरों का ना खिलाएं. Rather, I would like to tell to you, neither you are supposed to feed bird or animal. As I can see their pleasure and happiest viewer, and we have came finally to see and watch the Indian tiger. We have come and some of the lions are portrayed over here about the Royal Bengal tiger. The tiger is the largest wild feline. A large male can weigh 30 kg and 100 kg and can reach to the 10 feet in a length. Now I would love Anushka would speak further.
Besides this lion is found in Indian subcontinent, and the tiger inhabits tall grassland and even land forest. You can see here the main prey of this tiger is
Swamp forest of the Sundarban. Thank you.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye.
Wild tiger. We are in the front of wild tiger. That is originally, you can see that Royal Bengal tiger with a recessive gene that causes lots of pigmentation, and that makes it peculiar from the original royal tiger, and it is very difficult for them to survive in their natural forest.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Another message that has been written in picturized from over here. कृपया शांति बनाए रखें. Please try to make silence inside the Patna Zoo. And we are much aware of chimpanzee occurs across the west and the eastern belt of Africa along with the equator. They inhabit in a tropical forest, swamp forest and dry forest. That will be enough for India. from
front of ostrich. Actually, ostrich is the tallest and the heaviest bird on the planet, and they have strong legs which can also petal the humans. I want to say something about ostrich. Ostrich is actually found in South Africa, Botswana, and it is the flightless is bird which can go at the speed of 70 km/h. Okay, let's enjoy.
Landed towards one more word in a Patna Zoo that I have came forward from there, as we have been witnessing one more birds over here, that is name of Himalayan griffon vulture. As you know, like other vulture, the Himalayan griffon vulture feed on the carcasses which is found by the soaring over open areas. However, it is found all across the India, but for witnessing this beautiful vulture, I have came here. Thank you, viewer.
Protecting this culture.
Not only we, but the government also should pay attention.
Which is known as the one of the second biggest bird on the planet, and it is mostly found in Australia. Its height is of 5 feet and its weight is of 15 kilograms. Now I want to give mic to Subham. Let's start.
Thank you, Abhishek, for giving this mic. As we can see, in spite of being a bird, it is a misfortune with the animal that he cannot fly. However, he can run with a 50 kilometers. Apart from it, it is predominantly found in Australian forest that my friend Abhishek has told and uttered the word. Apart from it, you know what is the predominant meal of this bird is that it does eat grass, leaf and all type of things. Thank you.
We are in front of Keshauri bird. You can see that its body weight is too high. That's why it can't fly easily, and it has its bony structure over their neck line and head.
Front of Macau, written Green Speaks Macau. I am in the front of them, and I witnessed a very interesting bird in the Patna Zoo ever, and you should also listen their voice. And I want to say Subham that please focus on them. Okay?
Which is native of Australia and found throughout the country. Also, it has reduced population of birds in Sindhu and Sahara.
Friends, once again I have come with one more important message to you that I want to convey to you. There is a free Wi-Fi available in Patna Zoo, as you can see over here. And apart from it, I would like to see the way of where and how you can go, and also you can enjoy over like that. Hello everyone, as we have been witnessing this mesmerizing session, now we have ventured into an enchanting and captivating session to witness one more dance performance that will be incorporated by one of my dear friend Richa. I would like to call Richa. Please do come, Richa. Give a huge round of applause for Richa.
जोश तेरा हुस्न ही जबरदस्त दस्त तो चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तो चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
We felt that this experience that all of people, that includes all members of present here, was incredibly astounding, remarkable and phenomenal. Indeed, if I talk in a one word, how was this performance today, it is going to be unconceivable. Thank you everyone. And at the very last, I must call Sakil sir. Please share your experiences with us, how you felt.
Please sir. Let me.
Really, it is a really remarkable, fantastic, fabulous, and awesome trip. I experienced a lot, definitely. I enjoyed a lot with you, Mami. Really, just I energized myself to be with you, Mami. Definitely honor to the forms, and I got a nice suggestion from different students. Definitely, I'd love to make better in the next trip. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all the guys. Thank you, Shankar.
Thank you, sir. I would like to extremely in-depth thank you for Sakil sir that you have given your precious time to us and you have visited entire zoo with us. Obviously, it will be memorable to all of us. Obviously, this experience is going to be unconceivable, transcendent, remarkable, astounding, phenomenal, whatever I can say. I am speechless.